At 2032, right turn 180, maintain 3000, speed back.
4,000, right turn 180, United 23.
And 3000 feet. Check that right?
Got the airport inside the cherry, turn 7.
Jet Cherry 27 is clear, visual approach runway 23, right of service terminates, contact Morristown Town 8.1.
Go for the visual lower tower, jet cherry, 23.
As 82 is over by Zico, 2.5 stack flow, cut Alice 22 left approach, 18 turn on, still buzz, contact Town 8.3.
Right, cleared, 22 left, island approach, 18 buzz, Jazz 82 over tower.
Here's 115 Alpha Poppy, radar contact, New York South altimeter 299 You can contact Teterboro Tower 19.5 for advisories.
19.3, requesting skyline, is that towards Peterborough?
Contact Teterboro Tower 1 out of 0.5. Yeah, 941 heavy, right turning at 160 to the maintain 4,000.
160, 4,000, at 941 heavy.
This is AMA 27, turning at 140.
40827.
Rear wing 716, New York approach to the maintain 5,000.
5,000, 716. New York 5 Alpha, we're requesting a Bravo's clearance through the Bravo. Is that something with Peterborough?
Yeah, you're not going to get that from me, maybe Teterboro. Call Teterboro Tower, they'll give you advisories, and you're going to have to save all the Bravo. 5 Alpha Pop, you want the river tour, right?
What's the skyline, the VFR transition through the Bravo, above the, like in the Bravo airspace?
Okay, yeah, we can't do that. You have to go below the Bravo, the VFR exclusion. If you want, you can do that. Yeah, 2032, right turn 200, up the localizer.
200, up localizer, 2032.
5 Alpha Pop, if you want advisories while you're underneath the Bravo, you can contact Teterboro Tower 19.5. Flight set 345, right turning at 140.
140 heading, flight set 345.
Yeah, 2032 is Cloud Alice, 22 left, 18 turn on, still buzz, contact tower.
18 still buzz, over the tower, Cloud Alice, 22 left, 2032.
This is AMA 27, set to maintain 2,000.
2,000, 827.
Yeah, 941 heavy, set to maintain 3,000.
North approach, like 335, 6,000 with Juliet and Morrison.
This is AMA 27, stop your descent, turn right heading of 200.
Stop descent, 200, this time 827.
This is AMA 27, you copy?
Stop descent, 200, this time 827.
Yeah, Cirrus traffic, 11 o'clock, about a mile northbound. They're starting to climb now, 2,000 feet. Not sure why. Just turn right heading at 200 to avoid them.
00, looking for traffic, this time 827.
941 heavy, right turn 200, up the localizer.
200 heading to the localizer, 941 heavy.
Trail is 140, right turn 170, maintain 3,000.
Right turn 170, 3,000, clear 140.
Here's 115 Alpha Papa, New York.
We're figuring out what we're going to do because we're planning to go through the Bravo. Just stand by.
Here's 5 Alpha Papa, you're not going to the Bravo, it's not happening. You want the river tour, you go beneath the Bravo, that's how it works.
Alright, we'll figure it out. We'll let you know, 5 Alpha Papa. Thank you.
Alright, well while you're figuring it out, you're in the way of all the Teterboro arrivals, so what's your story?
Last cycle airspace.
Sam 827 is set to maintain 2,000.
2,000, this time 827.
Are you climbing?
We're gonna stick over to house on 2500, 5 Alpha Papa.
You got 941 heavies over by Zico, 3,000 that's localizer, Claudalis, 22 left approach.
Zico 3000, Claudalis, 22 left approach, 941 heavy.
Flight to 345, set to maintain 2,000.
2000, flight to 345.
You got 941 heavy, Claudalis, 22 left approach.
Claudalis, 22 left approach, United 941 heavy.
Here's 5 Alpha Papa, are you heading northeastbound now because you caused a Teterboro arrival to climb, and then that conflicted with other traffic, so I need to know what you're doing. You're in the way of Teterboro arrivals right now.
We're gonna remain over the house on 5 Alpha Papa.
Flight to 345, set to maintain 2,000.
Down 2000, flight to 345.
This Sam 827, you got the field in sight?
Negative.
Sam 827, turn right heading of 340, right turn 340 heading, then we're vectoring back around.
It's inside, this time 827.
345, 6000.
Here's Spearwing 716, right turning at 140, set to maintain 4,000.
40, 4000, for 716. Approach at 521 with you, 5000.
Got a 521 New York approach, Roger, flighting 270 vector sequence.
270 United on the heading, 520.
And 941 heavy, contact the New York Tower 8.3. Flight set 335, turn left heading up 130, set to maintain 4,000. Flex at 335, New York.
New York, 6 down.
Flex at 335, turn left heading of 100, vector sequence, head to maintain 4,000.
100 down to 4,000, flex at 335.
Flex at 345, flex at 345, right turning at 200, set the final approach course.
200, intercept final approach course, flex at 345.
Clear wings 140, right turn 250, join the localizers, and reduce speed 180.
Alright, join the localizer, right turn 250, and reduce speed 140.
Flex at 345 over Shrew, 2,000, establish final approach course, clear for the RNAV 24 approach.
2,000, clear for the RNAV 24 approach, flex at 345.
Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa, contact approach 120.8. Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa. United 521 flighting 250 vector sequence.
250 on the heading, United 521. Airport side, Clear 140.
Cirrus 140 is clear visual approach runway 24, maintain out above 2.5 Phillips Stadium.
Alright, clear visual 22 left and 2500 on the stadium, Spirit 140.
Stay 27 right turning 060.
Right 060, system 827.